Hey, yo, what up? It's Pastor Matty Ice. We have to hurry to do this because that window is now closed and it's super hot in here. I'm sure you're here to see this. Oh no. Oh. Hey, today is home day, which is like field day, but for virtual stuff. But first, I have to put on my dress shirt. So let me turn around. Okay, now I'm all better. Thank you all for being here today. Hopefully you enjoy some of the things that we were able to accomplish with our students from kindergarten through 8th grade. Yeah, Miss Chelsea's here. People are like, how do you have fun virtually? Jenga, of course. There we go.
Number 7.
Ah, the side of 7. Ah. Oh no!
This is the scariest match in history.
But I feel the wind. I don't want to shut the window because it would be so hot in here.
No, because there's 24.
Oh my goodness! Oh, look at the breeze. Maybe if I shut my window, I'll shut my window just so we can see how high we can go. The window is shut, so there's no excuse. Miss Taylor, take it away.
11.
Oh, 11. All right.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
So stressful.
We're going to start row 24 now. They finished 24, so we need 4 more blocks to beat the 2nd and 3rd graders.
18.
Oh, 18. Wow, you guys are making this so difficult for me. Oh no! The wind blew it over! It was 24. 24. Mr. Justin.
Do 7.
Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh, how do I? Oh yeah, you can make a bear if you want. It is.
What's that?
What? Do you not see that it's a teddy bear? We're gonna make your towel into a teddy bear. Okay? Now put it over your head. Scavenger hunts. Make sure you have those scavenger hunts. Ryan, your turtle almost looks like my turtle. No, it's not that. Oh, let me get this. It's a plant. Great job. You can also assign going home projects if you want to do that. And so they can just send it to you later, and then you can make it into a video. Bye, everybody. And just like that, home day is over. So now you know how to have fun at home virtually. Maybe you could build some blocks, make a Jenga tower. Maybe you could build a bear, and then you could have a stuffed animal bear thing. Maybe you could have a scavenger hunt. There are so many ways you can have fun with your friends or maybe your class or whatever. So just have fun and be creative, even if you feel like you're all alone. You can still have fun. So thank you for hanging out today, and hopefully you can hang out more, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know whenever we're hanging out at a different time, a different great adventure. So until then, I'm Pastor Matty Ice. Make sure you stay chill and float on. And then there's always the option of we're gonna play tag, where you just type someone's name in there. We never got to that option though. Oh man, it's really hot in here. I'm gonna go open the window back.